Number 1.
1982 Dodge D150, price $10,000, well-preserved classic pickup that shows just 80,000 miles on the odometer.
It features an automatic transmission paired with its original 318 V8 engine, which runs smooth and strong.
The exterior is finished in off-white with a matching off-white interior, giving the truck a clean and cohesive look that reflects its vintage charm. Recently, it was fitted with a brand new transmission, adding confidence and reliability to its performance. The body remains in solid condition with only minor rust, especially impressive for a truck of this era. While it originally came equipped with air conditioning, the system was removed over the years. However, all of the lines remain intact, making it relatively easy for a new owner to reinstall AC if desired. The original gas tank has a small leak, but this has been addressed with the installation of a functional fuel cell neatly mounted in the bed.
Number 2.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, shows 198,000 miles and is powered by a freshly rebuilt 5.0 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck comes in a gold exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline.
Despite its age, it has been well kept and is currently used as a dependable daily driver.
Comfort features include cold air conditioning, strong heat, and fully functioning power options such as locks and accessories. Everything works as it should, with no warning or check engine lights present. Recently driven from Lufkin to Houston, the truck proved itself to be smooth and reliable on the road. It carries a clean Texas title and represents a classic pickup that blends old-school character with everyday practicality.
Number 3.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $6,800, with a clean title and shows 91,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in black with a matching black interior, it is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is currently a project, featuring an 85 front clip, and while it will run and drive, it will need brake work and carburetor attention. The bed will need to be redone, and the owner is in the process of sourcing replacement door panels.
Despite a few dents and dings, the body presents solid potential.
Recently, the truck received a tune-up along with a number of important updates, including new tires, a new distributor, new fuel lines, a new starter, and a clean fuel tank. A new sending unit has also been installed. Inside, the black interior remains in good condition, with all lights working and functional. Impressively, all of the original AC components are still intact, making it a strong candidate for full restoration or a reliable driver with some additional work.
Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500, shows 226,000 miles on the odometer and comes with an automatic transmission. It is finished in a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look that truly represents the era. The truck runs on gasoline and, despite its age, the body and interior have held up remarkably well. Aside from the typical rust spots you would expect on a pickup of this generation, it remains in very solid shape overall, as can be seen in the pictures. Mechanically, the truck will need attention, as it appears that a rod has been thrown, which is demonstrated in the provided video. For enthusiasts, this makes it an excellent candidate for a modern LS swap, turning it into a unique blend of classic style and updated performance.
Inside, the cabin still provides comfort, with the heat in good working order, though the air conditioning will require repair. Number 5.
1989 Ford F150, price $9,000, finished in a clean white exterior with a tan interior. The truck is powered by the strong 351 Windsor 5.8L V8 engine and features an 8-foot bed, making it both capable and practical. Running on gasoline, it has been well cared for and has received a number of recent updates, including a new water pump with gaskets, new intake gaskets both upper and lower, a new thermostat, fresh upper and lower ball joints, brand new tires, and a new battery installed this spring. The F-150 is equipped with 2 gas tanks. However, the fuel gauge for the front tank is not functional,
though the rear tank and its gauge work without issue.
Additionally, the power steering pump is beginning to show where it still functions but produces a noticeable whine, especially once warmed up, a common occurrence with this generation of Ford trucks.
Number 6.
1996 Nissan Pickup, price $4,800, classic and dependable little truck that has proven itself to be reliable over the years. With 180,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs strong thanks to its 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission, which together make it a simple, fuel-friendly, and easy-to-drive option. The truck doesn't burn oil, and all the basic functions work exactly as they should, making it a trustworthy daily driver. The only feature that isn't currently working is the air conditioner, though that's hardly a concern for the cooler months ahead. Despite its age, this Nissan continues to show why these pickups have a reputation for durability, making it a perfect little beater truck for someone who wants something affordable, practical, and ready to go.
Number 7.
1973 Ford F100, price $9,500, finished in an all-black exterior with a matching black interior that enhances its bold and timeless character. Beneath the hood lies a dependable 302 V8 engine, paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, giving it that authentic vintage driving feel enthusiasts love. With just 78,000 miles on the odometer, this truck reflects its careful history and continued reliability. Over the years, it has received consistent maintenance along with numerous new parts, keeping it in excellent running condition. Fueled by gasoline, it starts with ease and drives smoothly, making it suitable for someone looking for a dependable daily driver. At the same time, its originality and charm make it equally appealing as a weekend cruiser or a trophy-worthy addition to any car show.
Number 8.
1979 Ford F150, price $6,500. It comes with a clean title in hand and plenty of potential. It features a timeless brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior, giving it that vintage appeal enthusiasts appreciate. Powered by a reliable 302 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, this truck runs and drives great, though it could use a bit of TLC to bring it back to top shape.
Since it runs on gasoline, it remains simple to maintain and enjoy.
The sale also includes additional interior parts, making it easier for the next owner to complete the project. Overall, it's the perfect starting point for anyone looking for a classic F-150 to restore, personalize, or simply enjoy as a solid project truck.
Number 9.
1994 Chevrolet S10, price $3,600, comes with a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, making it a strong yet practical choice for daily driving. With 181,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives well and has been recently serviced. The truck features a long bed body style, finished in silver with a black interior. Though the driver's seat shows somewhere, it has a clean title and is well suited for light-duty towing and hauling, whether for work purposes or weekend projects. While the truck remains dependable, it will need an alignment and brake work in the near future. Overall, this Chevrolet S10 is a great option for anyone looking for a dependable daily driver, a workhorse, or a solid project vehicle.
Number 10.
1971 Ford F250, price $8,000. This truck has been in the same family since new, showing 180,000 miles on the odometer. The truck is powered by its original 390 FA engine and runs on gasoline. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, is a 2WD model, and features dual gas tanks for added range. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck retains its all-original character, with everything still in working order. It continues to prove its reliability, as it is driven twice a week to work without issue. This well-preserved classic not only carries a strong mechanical presence but also holds deep family history, making it a true heirloom on wheels.